I am so proud of you. Our school has a theme this year of show up and shine. And for our Dragonfly Dash, you totally showed up and you were shining for our school. We raised so much money, and you know what all that money goes to? It goes to your field trips, and pays for your t-shirts. What a fun year. Awesome. Okay. Good job. Give me 5. Voice is quiet. Good job. It's good practice. Okay. Are you ready? So the way this is going to work. Listen, so you know how it's going to work. We have these big buckets of slime. One for Mrs. Stanfield and one for Dr. Jensen. And we're going to draw names. So if you participated in the Dragonfly Dash, your name is in there. And we're going to draw names for kids to come up and grab a cup of slime and just dump it. Should we practice? I think I should get to dump one on this. Give me 5. I'm only going to do it when we're not screaming. Ready? You got a little slime? Is that all we're going to do? No. We're going to do a whole bunch, but I have to get my chair and I'm going to hand the microphone off. Ferry. Okay. I am going to pick 3 names from the fauna side first. If you hear your name and you want to dump slime, please stand up and give me a thumbs up. Oh no, if you hear your name, okay? I'm so glad you guys are all so excited. Okay. Soya candy. Okay. Next name is John Decker. Stanfield. Okay, Miss Kate, can you follow Mrs. Gabriel? She's going to help you come up to the stage if your name was called. Only if your name was called. Okay, are you guys ready? We're going to go one at a time. Chief, go ahead. Okay, Chief, go ahead. Ferry! You just got told to dump the bucket of slime! Ferry! you ready? Five, closer. Let's go. Oh, thank you. Okay, we are now going to pick from the other side so we can find Dr. Jensen. If you'd like to do five, please stand up and give us a thumbs up. Casey McPherson. Emerson Bull. And our teacher helper is Mrs. Long. Okay, we are going to count together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, you're coming up there. 1, 2, 3. It kind of smells. It feels like applesauce, in case anybody's wondering. All right, was it worth it? Okay, give me five. I see lots of people covering their ears and they're not liking the screen. So no more screening. It was so fun. Thank you guys for raising so much money for our school so we can do awesome, fun things. I hope you had fun today and I hope you had fun at the Dragonfly Dash.
Perfect. What was